Teriyaki is one of the most beloved classics of Japanese cuisine. Today, I'll show you a delicious vegan version made with tofu. The tofu is first pan-fried until crispy, and then glazed in a savory sweet sauce. For the teriyaki tofu, you'll need 200 grams of tofu, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and about 2 tablespoons of oil for frying. For the sauce, you'll also need 20 milliliters of mirin, 20 milliliters of sake, 20 milliliters of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. First, let's prepare the teriyaki sauce. Simply mix the mirin, sake, soy sauce, and sugar in a small bowl and set it aside for a moment. Now toss the tofu cubes with the starch, mix everything well, and immediately add them to a hot pan with oil. Pan fry them over medium heat until they're golden brown on all sides. Once the tofu is nice and crispy, pour the prepared teriyaki sauce over it. Continue to cook, stirring gently, as the sauce slowly thickens and glazes the tofu. The dish is ready when the liquid from the sauce has almost completely evaporated, leaving only the clear oil in the pan. Serve your teriyaki tofu the classic way with rice and garnish it with fresh scallions. If you like, you can also sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top. Steamed or pan-fried vegetables also make for a great side dish. Itadakimasu.